Aftab Poonawala moves Saket court seeking bail. Shraddha's murderer, who's currently being investigated for the crime, as the police suspect that he was the man who's pulled off this crime. And as the investigation continues, the matter will be heard in court tomorrow as Aftab appeals for bail. This comes just a day after Shraddha's DNA clincher that came to fore, almost establishing and making this a conclusive investigation to claim that, to say that it was indeed Shraddha who was murdered. Her DNA has been matched with her father, and a really tragic moment. And right just when the DNA reports are out, here is Aftab reaching out to the Saket court asking for bail. Let me cut across to Nalini for more on that. Nalini, of course, a criminal will attempt to absolve all measures, legal measures that are before him. But how likely is a man like Aftab Poonawala, who's admitted to the crime of murdering Shraddha, his girlfriend, chopping her into multiple pieces, would get bail?
Well, Nabila, as we know, Aftab is currently in the judicial custody of the Delhi police, and it remains to be seen exactly what happens once the matter comes up tomorrow, because we're given to understand that there are no specific grounds on which Aftab has sought bail. It's in the due course of process that he said he should be granted bail now because he's ready to cooperate with the investigation. As we've seen earlier also, Aftab had given his consent for the narco analysis test, and it was with his consent that the entire test had happened. So that's essentially what Aftab is putting forth before the court, that he's cooperated in the investigation so far with the investigation agency as well as the Delhi police, and there is no reason to keep him in custody any longer, especially considering he's in judicial custody now and not even police custody. So tomorrow on Saturday is when the Saket court is going to be hearing this matter. They are the ones who heard all of the remand pleas regarding Aftab earlier as well. So the judge is well aware of the facts of the case and exactly how much progress the Delhi police has made regarding the investigation. But considering that the investigation is at such a crucial stage, where only yesterday the DNA samples have matched with Shraddha's father, it remains to be seen as to whether or not the court will be willing to grant any sort of liberty to Aftab, at least at this point or not.
All right, thank you very much for joining us on that, Nalini.
I don't read the news. I read between the lines to tell you the true version of events. The true story of our times.
To document grief, the toughest assignment for any journalist to be.
From those who matter.
Women politicians going to stick up for each other.
Of those who should matter. I document the truth. I don't distort the truth. I don't glamorize the truth. I don't gloss over the truth.
The ghosts of India's contentious medieval history have come knocking again.
I hustle for the truth, on the ground, in the newsroom, in the studio. I don't try to grab eyeballs.
I inform you to make you see the point.
To the Point with Preeti Chaudhary. At these times, only on India Today.